the kitchen, he's sizzling, whipping up dishes, yeah, he be griddling. Puff, puff, pass with the seasoning. No law bear, his lady, she feasting. Yeah.
What's up? It's your chef, Black Ice. Welcome to What's for Dinner. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make delicious fried kielbasa and cabbage soup. So let's just dive right in, you know what I mean? Step 1. Slice your cabbage. And personally, I like to cut out the stem because, come on, it's garbage, you know what I mean? Fun fact, there are over 400 different varieties of cabbage around the world, including red, green, and Savoy cabbages, as well as kohlrabi, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, which are all part of the same species. And now, once you get it all cut up, go ahead and put it all in your pot. Another fun fact for y'all, cabbage is very low in calories with only about 300 calories for an entire head of cabbage, making it a very popular choice for weight loss diets. Then you want to fill up your pot about 75% of the way with water. And once you put the pot on the stove, you want to turn that temp to about 7. And make sure you put that timer on for about an hour. Stir occasionally. Grab your kielbasa. And now, slice your kielbasa. And here's another fun fact for y'all. Did y'all know that historically cabbage was used for medicinal purposes? Yeah, I know, right? It was actually used to treat headaches and mushroom poisoning. Now add a cap of oil. Turn that temp to about 7. Then add your kielbasa. Go ahead and throw it in the skillet there. Now after your skillet gets nice and hot, you put all your sliced kielbasa in there. You're going to want to get it all sorted out and even. And get a nice sear on that. It takes about a minute. And then you want to go ahead and flip them and let them sear for another minute. And then once you got a 1-minute sear on each side, go ahead and mix it up real nice and turn that down to simmer. Okay, and here's another fun fact for y'all. Cabbage actually has a world record set by a man named Scott A. Robb of Palmer, Alaska in 2012. The world's heaviest cabbage. And it came in weighing at 138 pounds. That's 62 kilograms. That's a lot. Now it's time to add your seasonings. So you want to do at least 1 tablespoon of Tony Chachere's Cajun Creole seasoning. Add yourself about a tablespoon of Keith Riles garlic butter. And add yourself about a tablespoon of paprika. And add about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And add about a teaspoon of regular ground black pepper. And of course, you got to add some hot sauce. Let's go. Abracadabra. Then of course, you're going to want to go ahead and stir it all up real nice. Now it's time to add that kielbasa and stir it up real nice. So after you add your kielbasa, you stir it up real nice. This time cook it on medium for about another hour. Don't worry, it's magical and very, very much worth the wait. And be sure to stir your cabbage occasionally. I'd say about every 20 minutes or so through the entire process.
Let's give this a try right quick for the first time ever in life. That's some good cabbage right there, bro.
Well, that's the show for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more of my delicious recipes. Peace.
Black ice in the kitchen, he's sizzling, whipping up dishes, yeah,